Graph using the given domain. In order to graph numbers using the given domain, what we do is we take our numbers, we plug them into this equation or function one at a time, do the math, get a point. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have 5 different dots and 5 different numbers that we're going to plug in, and we're going to get these dots that are going to probably make some type of V-looking shape. Now, we won't connect the dots because we're just graphing 5 dots. So let's start out with f of negative 8. F of negative 8 is going to be 2 times the absolute value of negative 8 plus 3 minus 5. Now let's do all of this math. 2 times the absolute value of negative 5 minus 5. Now I'm running out of space, so let's be quick. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So when I use negative 8, I get 5, so negative 8 5 is going to be one of my points. I did a lot of hand waving there, so I did a lot of mental math. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. If not, just there's a guy out there named Khan. You can watch him. F of negative 5 is now going to be 2 times the absolute value of negative 5 plus 3 minus 5. So 2 times the absolute value of negative 2. So let's do what we did before. The absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So when I use negative 5, I get negative 1, negative 5, negative 1. Put a dot right there. Okay, let's do it again. F of negative 4 is going to be 2 times negative 4 plus 3 minus 5. The absolute value of negative 4 plus 3 is going to be the absolute value of negative 1. So the absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So that gets us the point negative 4, negative 3, negative 4, negative 3. Let's plug in 0. F of 0 equals 2 times the absolute value of 0 plus 3 minus 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. So 2 times the absolute value of 3 minus 5. The absolute value of 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So when I plug in 0, I get 1. Like that. And one more. One more. When I plug in 3, I get 2 times the absolute value of 3 plus 3, drop down to minus 5. The absolute value of 3 plus 3 is 6, so 2 times 6 minus 5. 2 times the absolute value of 6 is 2 times 6 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So when I plug in 3, I get 7. When I plug in 3, I get 7. So there's my V shape, like I knew would happen with all absolute values. And I'm only graphing those 5 dots. No, we don't connect them. We don't connect them because I only want these as my domain. I don't want the actual line. But that's it. That's how you do it.